In this video, we will learn how to use if error function in Excel sheet. So let's start this in my Excel sheet. Suppose you have a one number 28 and 0. So I'm going to divide 28 by 0. Okay, then just enter. You get this error. Then I edit this and using the if error function here. Then comma, double quote. Write here one sentence. Okay, 0. Then again use the double quote, bracket close and just enter. When you change here the number, so you get here the exact amount of divided. So I change here the 7, so that's it. Here you can see the 28 divided by 7, it's 4. If I change here the 9, it's get the amount 28 divided by 9. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.